Hey, this is Ryan over here at the Hollyloft Ski and Bike today. Today we're crushing a Incredibell disco bell. So we're going to see how this holds up to the vise. And here we go. Pieces are shooting everywhere. Okay, well I guess that ends our test, but we'll get all the pieces off here. Oh Matt, watch out, there's some battery acid on your foot. Well, there's probably half the pieces, so maybe it didn't hold up the best, but that's the Incredibell disco bell. Like I said, Ryan over here at the Hollyloft Ski and Bike. Thanks for watching.